All right, we're at Elora and Taylor's house, getting ready to move. Had to make a post for today because we didn't get a post yesterday because my phone was broken. Long story, not amazing results. Ended up having to pay $600 to get my phone fixed because this little guy dropped it in the water.
I thought you said you were gonna tell that story. It was too long.
It's way too long. Jessica and Alyssa have been ridiculously sarcastic today. Alyssa woke up super ornery this morning. And what else happened today?
Where's your baby?
I'm holding him. I found the baby. Ben's being crazy. I think that's it. But Ben's stepping in. Oh no. Ben wants that right. That's it for today.